Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a box opening. I got my huge order in from softsquares.com. I'm so excited. I've got a lot of Halloween and Christmas fabrics. You know, it's really hot in this time of the season. However, before you know it, Christmas and Halloween is just going to be around the corner. And whenever some of the shops are slow, it's a great time to go ahead and get your products made. So let's see what we got. It's a heavy box. I did order a lot of fabric. First, when you order from Soft Squares, you do receive a folder, and inside here, it has everything that you ordered and your invoice and everything, and also a free pattern inside. This is a jelly roll. It's from Riley Blake. This one's called Springborn Quilts. So it's going to be cute. You can kind of see the colors from the way that it's rolled up. Oh, they always send candy. This was some peach floral fabric. It's really cute. And also some like quilting squares. And this is going to coordinate with the jelly roll. It's the same fabric line. Okay, guys, here comes the Halloween. You know what I think I'm going to do is go ahead and take everything out of the box because it's a little tall for me. And then we can go over the fabrics that we ordered. That's a relief. On all of my Halloween fabrics and the Christmas fabrics, I did get 2 yards of each. And I'm going to be making a lot of the cup holders and the can koozies, which I have already made a couple of patterns and put them on the Etsy shop. And I'll go ahead and put a link below if you're interested in sewing up some too. Plus, I'll be having a couple of new videos out really soon. This is cute. It's a little ghost. And these are all from Riley Blake. That's in the purple family. And then we have the orange ghost. I like that the print's really small. That way on the smaller products, it'll fit perfectly. It won't be too overbearing. And then the one on black. It's really cute. I don't know if you can see it on the video or not, but it also has orange stars, purple stars, white stars. Just really, really cute. And they did offer a couple other of the skeletons, but I like this one because in the background, it's just not solid black. It has confetti, little like ribbons going around. It's just super cute. The multicolor hats. I think it's really cute. And here's the spider web. Got it on black. And then also in the orange colorway. Please leave in the comments below. Are you guys already sewing for the fall and the Christmas season? I know I've got a couple of quilts that I started in over almost 2 years ago. I need to start back on those because the time really does just fly by. And here's the skeleton, the little dancing skeletons in the orange colorway. And I thought this one was really cute. It's vines, but it has bats and jack-o'-lanterns and a witch's broom, and the colors are just gorgeous. Very traditional Halloween. And then here's some little ghosts on the black. And I thought these fabrics would really coordinate with the Halloween fabrics. is I've got the little checks in the black and the orange, and also the orange and white. And then this is the Christmas line. I got not as much Christmas as I did Halloween because I do have a lot of Christmas fabric in my stash already to work with, but I think these are just adorable. We've got the words. It's Merry Christmas. Well, not Merry Christmas, but Merry, and it says believe, and it's really cute. And once I show you the fabrics, I'll show you, I've got a can koozie and a slim can koozie that I'll show you that I'll be making on some of these products. And this is adorable. It's snowmen, which they are my favorite, but it's really cute. It's like snowman ornaments on ribbons. It's really cute. And then the little peppermint, and it looks like holly leaves. It's really cute. And last but not least, this is it's like rickrack. It's on background of white, and it also has a little bit of a green tracking. It's just super cute. Let me see about finding those cut. Here they are. And here are the can koozies I was talking about just a second ago. This is for a slim can, like one of those energy drinks, like Red Bull, stuff like that. And this also is a regular size for a 12-ounce beverage. It only takes a quarter of a yard, and you get at least two of them out of that. And these two items, I will be having a video coming out really soon on both of these. And my patterns are all already available on my Etsy shop, and I'll put a link below. Well, this is a super short video, but I wanted to share the latest fabric haul that I got from softsquares.com. And thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.